Good morning everyone. Myself Krishna from CSEC section. Today I am explaining about the topic is implementation of queue using linked list with example. Introduction to queue and linked list. A queue is a linear data structure that follows the first in first out principle. A linked list is a data structure consisting of nodes where each node contains data and a reference to the next node. Implementing a queue using a linked list allows dynamic memory allocation and efficient insertion and removal of elements. Basic concept of queue. Queue are commonly used in scenarios like scheduling process and managing request in service provider. The two primary operators of queue are enqueue and dequeue. In dequeue, the friend point to the first element and the pair point to the last element in the queue. Advantages of using linked list for queue. A linked list based queue does not have a fixed size, allowing for better memory utilization. There is no need for shifting element during insertion and deletion, making operation more efficient. The linked list implementation can dynamically grow and shrink according to the number of elements in the queue. Structure of a node. Each node in the linked list queue contains data and pointer to the next node. The structure of a node can be defined in programming language like C, C++, or Java. For instance, in C, a node can be represented as structure node into data struct node. Queue structure. The queue itself contains pointers to the front and rear nodes. This enables efficient access to both ends of the queue and the queue operation. A typical structure can be defined as structure queue. Enqueue operation. The enqueue operations adds a new element at the rear of the queue. If the queue is empty, both front and rear pointers will point to the new node. If the queue is not empty, the new node is linked to the rear and the rear point in queue operation removes an element from the front of the queue. If the queue is empty, it typically returns an error or a null value. After removing the front node, the front pointer is updated to point to the next node in the queue. Example of queue operation. Let's consider a queue with the element 10, 20, 30. After enqueue 40, the queue becomes 10. Performing a dequeue would remove 10, adjust the queue to 20, 30, 40. Implementation example in C. Here is a simplified example of queue operation in C. Void enqueue queue int value node temp equal to node. Conclusion. Implementation a queue using a linked list is an efficient way to manage dynamic data. This approach provides flexibility in a size and implementations. Understanding the queue's operation and linked list structure is crucial for the effective data management in programming. Thank you.